What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Going to go over Fantom, guys. FTM. We currently came back to that level support at $1.28. We're down about 5% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 3.25 billion. 24-hour volume is 421 million. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to join the world's fastest crypto growing app. My favorite app for investing. Incredible benefits. Visa card. Crypto Earn. Definitely recommend it. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So here's Fantom on the 1 hour chart, and you can see we created a bearish divergence. We created a higher high and a lower high in the RSI, signifying the bulls are losing strength. Great time to exit your trade. I had exited right around this area. I didn't exit at the very top, but I was very happy with where I took my profits here because I could tell Fantom was slowing down a little bit here. Now we've come all the way back down to our level of support at $1.28. Currently we're sitting just underneath it, back testing it as resistance. So you would like to see us get back above $1.28, or else we can come all the way back down. I didn't anticipate us coming all the way back down to $1.15, but it is a possibility. Create a double bottom here. What you want to look at is Bitcoin, the master energy. It pulls Fantom with it, and the rest of the market is currently consolidating. So if we break down and we lose this level of support, then Fantom will definitely come down to 115, possibly lower. But if we see a bounce here, we break out of this bull flag, that's when we'll see continuation back to the upside for Fantom. The bulls are very, very strong. When Bitcoin starts to show signs of trending back upwards, the bullish strength for Fantom is absolutely beautiful. It's been a lot of fun trading Fantom, and I've made some juicy gains. And guys, if you want to trade with leverage, you can check out my full-length tutorial on Bybit. Sign up to Bybit for over $600 in bonuses, as well as Phoenix over $2,000 in bonuses. All right, guys. So if we fail to get back above $1.28 here, let's quickly look at the 4 hour time frame. So we're here on the 4 hour. We're starting to have the bearish cross. So if we fail to get back above 128, or if we get back above 128 and we get rejected by the EMAs, then we could continue to see that rollover. But if we push through the EMAs on the 4 hour chart, that's when we can head up to these price targets, $1.44 and $1.60. If we look at Fantom here on the daily, you can see we are holding support of the 20 EMA. If Bitcoin were to go through a larger correction, there's many analysts calling for an ABC correction that could send us to the high 30Ks. Or the low 40Ks, then that's when you would see Fantom come back underneath the 20 EMA and possibly find support here and test the 55 at about 96 cents. Now that doesn't mean that that's what has to happen here. That's just if Bitcoin goes through that ABC correction. You can see here, we had a massive pump for Fantom. We finally corrected. We came back down to the 55. We even came all the way back down to the 200 EMA. So if we do start to lose the 20 EMA here, do target 96 cents as your next level support, previous swing high. Good opportunity to bounce for Fantom. All right, guys. So we'll end the video here on the 4 hour chart. If you see us start to get back above $1.28, I would watch this level of resistance for Fantom at about 135, and then 144 is your next level of resistance. Now Fantom can pump rather quickly. If Bitcoin breaks out of that pattern, I could easily see Fantom coming all the way up to $1.60. But if Bitcoin falls out here and we lose this level of support, if we lose 46.7, that's when we could see that harsh continuation to the downside here, and Fantom coming back down to $1.15 and possibly 96 cents here, which is the previous swing high for Fantom. All right, guys, really we're waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to decide to do here. We're still in a bullish continuation pattern, but of course it can always break down to the downside. If you do see us start to lose this particular level, 46.7, then I would definitely consider a reversal in the trend. But if we break through this bull flag, then we're good to go, and we'll see Fantom come up to these price targets, $1.35, $1.44, and $1.60 for Fantom. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button. Guys, check out the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Great way to stay ahead of the game. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.